make sure that you stay tuned to the end of the video in order to see what your girl's body is looking like. Now, I was having a conversation the other day and I was asked, Mattie, girl, how you stay thick? How you stay curvaceous? How have you maintained your shape after pregnancy? Okay, who your doctor? And I always have to reply, well, God's my doctor. Okay, but the best way in order to see the best results is to maintain that body. Okay, so what I want to share with you guys is a few foods that help with butt growth, okay, that help with keeping that butt nice and plump. I know you can't see my butt, but honey, I'm touching it right now because it's soft, okay? That help with keeping that butt nice, plump, and voluptuous looking. And if you're trying to get to the place where your butt is nice, plump, and healthy looking, then make sure that you continue watching this video because I'm going to share with you guys exactly how. Now, before I get into this video, I first and foremost need for you to do something to benefit me too. I'm giving you information that's gonna benefit you, so I need for you to do something that's gonna benefit me. First and foremost, like the video if you haven't already liked it. Now, if you're a part of the Glam fam, I'd assume that you're liking the video as soon as you come in, but hey, that's not the case with a lot of y'all. So make sure that you like the video. It helps the channel out a ton. It helps to push the video out into the algorithm. And it's going to help us all to get our butts together for the hotter seasons when they do get here. Now, not only that, you guys, but I need for you guys to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. It means a lot. I want you to be a part of the Glam fam, so join by hitting that red button and leave a comment down below. I don't care if it's just an emoji, just leave your girl a comment down below to show some love. It means a lot to me and it also helps the channel out a lot. Okay, so with that being said, let me get into this great information for you guys. So if you want results from anything, you have to be consistent. What I always tell people is if you want to grow your butt naturally, okay, you have to be dedicated to the cause. This means hitting the gym. This means being active. This means trying to stay off of your butt as much as you possibly can, okay, and moving around quite a bit. If you are someone who is into fitness, these are a few foods that are going to help you in the process of growing your bum, because a lot of people look at me and a lot of people look at my body and they're like, what do you do? Well, number one, I stay active. I keep moving around. I keep moving and grooving, and you have to do the same. You can do the same in order to maintain your body. So let me share with you guys a few foods that are going to help you to see fast results when it comes to glute workouts, and not only that, you guys, but just overall bum growth, okay? When it comes to staying fit, when it comes to staying active, these are the foods that are going to help you to get thick. First on the list, we have eggs. Now, eggs are essential for bum growth. They are full of protein. If you're someone who is in the gym, eating yourself some eggs is going to help you out a lot, okay? Amino acids are also found in eggs, and this helps with building muscle and repairing muscles, okay? I don't know if y'all know this information or not, but each and every single time that you go to the gym and you work out, your muscles tear a little bit each and every single time, okay? So eggs are going to help to repair and build. Repair and build. Say it with me, class. Repair and build. Eggs also have one of the highest amounts of protein. This helps you to have more chances of building a healthier, better looking booty, honey. One of my favorites on the list, avocados. I love me some good avocado toast. I love me some good avocado dip, honey. Avocados are a great source of E, A, B6, and C. They are full of protein and minerals, and you guys, this is amazing for getting a plump, nice booty, honey. Avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fats, and these fats help you to gain mass on your buttocks. Avocados are also going to provide you with some good healthy fats, honey, and we want that. We want that back, you know, to be looking nice and plump. So we want those healthy fats. And did you know that avocado was a fruit? Let me know that down below. Let me know if you knew whether or not avocado was a fruit. Now, oh my gosh, I could not make this video without mentioning this particular food here. And this is one of my favorite foods, honey, with some good old rice, with some good old broccoli. Okay, y'all know where this is going? Salmon, duh. Choose between tuna, tilapia or salmon to grow them buttocks. Salmon is full of omega-3 fatty acids. It is nice and healthy for the body, and you guys, it is delicious. It's so scrumptious. You can have you a nice full meal with salmon and be nice and full after the process. And salmon is also full of healthy fats. Yes, you heard it here. And I'm going to share one more with you guys before I log off of here. I can always make another video about this if you guys want to know of more foods that help with bum growth. But we have brown rice. Now, brown rice is packed with fiber. This is amazing, okay, for maintaining your body and making your booty look great. Brown rice has also been shown to reduce high cholesterol levels, so this is amazing as well. It is also rich in carbohydrates, and it helps to promote great muscle mass in the buttocks region. What more do I need to say? What more do I need to say? Let me know if you guys would like a part 2 on this video, and as promised, I'm going to share with you guys what my body is looking like currently. Okay, don't judge your girl. Your girl just had a baby in June, and I'm trying to get my snap back on, but I think I'm getting along, you know, I'm going along pretty well. Okay, so look at this. And Glam fam, that is it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that red button down below. It helps the channel out a ton. And leave a comment. Like I said, I don't care if it's just an emoji. Just make sure that you leave a comment down below in the comments section. It helps the channel out a ton. And I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.